Alright. Hello folks. G here from Rugby Reviews and Tools. And you got the intro, and this is something that's going to add to what SCOUTCRAFTER had said. How many screwdrivers do you have? I have a lot. But the question is, the big question, how many of the same screwdriver do you have? And I have a number of self-holding screwdrivers. So let's see exactly what I have here. Alright. Interested in looking? Alright. Okie doke. A lot there. Alright, we can get the ones out that aren't self-holding. I like these. These are the wooden handle ones. 357 Magdad is big into these, and he actually makes wooden handles for these screwdrivers, which is nice. That's a shorty. There's another shorty here. Klein. Another shorty here. With the name on it, maybe. I think it's USA. You can read it. I can't make out it. Another one here that needs some cleaning. Phillips head. Another one that needs cleaning. Can't read the name on it. Now, there's another wooden handle. Nice looking one. Nice looking one. I think that's a Craftsman. See the number of them. Oh, there's an oil. Over there. Put a pile over there going. Definitely a Craftsman here. See the number. Craftsman. Regular screwdriver. That's nice. Go into the pile there. And the last but not least, I got a name on Proto. Oh yeah, Proto, okay. Alright, so these are self-holding screwdrivers. There's more. Let's start with the biggest here. That's a Vaco. Yeah, Vaco. Let me get a measurement on the shaft here. Say 5 inches and 5 3/4 of an inch. I would say what that is, 5 3/4 of an inch. This one looks old. I've had these for a number of years when I was in the trades working. At 19. This is a Klein. Another one here. A Vaco, or Vaco, K36. Another Vaco, K36. You can see. I worked the trades a number of years. Here's one here, and I always put I used to put just red tape, and then I changed it. When I seen other guys had just red tape, so I put red and green for a while. There's a Vaco K34. Appears to be like 3 3/4 of an inch. Another Vaco K44. Vaco K34 USA, made in USA, which is nice. The smaller ones here, this one I had one color, it's the green. Quick wedge, that's a popular. This is what they look like now, as you can see. They've made them a lot newer on the handles, colors. Another quick wedge, 1834. This was missing the part, the holding part. 9-119, Chicago, USA. Another one, Vaco K34, good condition. Another one, just the red. This is old. Vaco K34. I think this ended up in one of the vehicles. As I'm showing you these here now, excuse me, I got more. I got 4 more at least. A bigger one and a smaller one that's probably 17 inches or 19 inches, and then a smaller one that's probably 6 inches. I got one of each in the vehicle, so that's 4 that's not here. We'll get to the smaller ones a little bit. All right, we'll get more over here. All right, take them all out. There's probably a couple more sticking around in a toolbox someplace. Oh, get some shorties here. Casablanca. Shorty, Casablanca. That's something. 2 of those. Other Craftsman. P8 number 2. Real good condition. That's real good condition. Alright, let's get to the self-holding screwdrivers, or screw-holding screwdrivers. This is a quick wedge that with an elastic. It's on there pretty good. This one's in good shape. The Vaco. Let's check it out. This is quick wedge in the Vaco. Same size. Put them together. This has I think a black plastic push piece on it. Yeah. And this is continuing with the color plastic that it has. So that's what they look like together. Very similar. K46, and can't see the number on that. Let me get that tape off there. Alright. Got the knife. That wasn't too hard, but I don't think. It's going to come off easy. Okay. So, 2356. Let's put them together so we can see the numbers. 2356 for the quick wedge, and K46 for the Vaco or Vaco. I kind of like the way this looks here, where it goes down. A little longer, taking time on getting bigger. This one jumps right up to a bigger size. It's probably good for sticking into a box. There's a number of wires out. This would be easy to move through, I would think. Alright, here's one that I went to. It's a 2356 quick wedge again. The transformation had the green green tape, the red tape, and then black. The black tape tells me that this was used in a box or cabinet that had a lot of live power in it, and that's why that is taped up, so it wouldn't inadvertently short something out. But that's what that's all about. There's another one here. Oh, this is my son's. I'll put this aside. Vaco K36. I'll put that aside and I'll clean that up for him. Get it back to him. This one's kind of rusty. This one has the white tape on it. Evidently, I was out in the field and I needed to, again, when I go down that far, this is a Klein tool. 9-119. And that's why I'd have the tape like that, is when I work in a live box. And really there's wires in there that are live. Most times the cabinet, it could be a receptacle with a number of screws, a number of switches in there and so forth, and to get by the screw that have the live wire without shorting anything out. That is why that's like that. That's a Klein. There's another Vaco. This one seems to be long. Oh, and that's my son's. DG. That is my son's, and that is a long one. Let me get a ruler to it. 7 inches, right on the money. Alright, this will go set aside. It's my son's. Here's another one. We don't have the plastic to it. I don't know why I haven't thrown these away. Maybe you figured the plastic would show up. And maybe I can make one out of something like that. Just a little heat to it. And don't put it much heat so it doesn't get too tight. Possibility. Heat shrink. 125 degrees. I guess that's when it starts tightening up. Now we got some smaller ones here. You can see. Now I guess number 34. I do not get a name on that. There's one for the pocket. I should have cleaned these up, but I just I put these aside so I could do a quick video on these. And then for the pocket, doing service calls. Here's a couple here. This is a Vaco K23. Another one for the pocket. When you're doing a service call on something electronics, usually. Or you're dealing with electricity inside the electronic box. There's another one, the clip on it for your pocket. Yeah, like I say, these are used when I'm going into something that's got a lot of electricity that's live in there. I have a couple of different ones here now. This is an old-fashioned one, if you can remember. That went down and held the screw head on to the screw. This is old. There was a name on it. I wish I had cleaned these up and we could get a lot of... Maybe you can pick up on the name. Tool line, I think, a tool line. That's an old one. That is old. Oh, everybody has one of these. Most of the servicemen have these in their pocket. I can't read that first word. Something. Pullman Device Corporation, Rosefield, Connecticut, N2. That's for this here. You turn. Turns that there to hold the screw. Probably a little rusted right now. And that's it. I know there's more someplace in the nooks and crannies of the the cellar here and around the workbench, and some of the other toolboxes. I know for sure they have them. So that's half of the Holden screwdriver, the same style. And this is kind of thing when SCOUTCRAFTER said, how many screwdrivers do we have and how many do you need? And maybe I'll do one on some other type of screwdriver, and maybe Phillips head screwdrivers possibly, and or just the brand. It'll be Vaco, Klein, Craftsman. There were a number of proto tools that made screwdrivers. Alright, so you see what we have here. A number of them. That's my son's there. See what we have here. Good amount. I didn't count them, so let me do a fast count of the same ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, which is a quick wedge number 1734. A quick wedge number 1734. If we can get it so it doesn't get blurry. Yes, no, maybe. Probably not. Alright, so that is them. Alright, enjoy the day, folks. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all you ladies out there in YouTube land. Hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day today. And to all your husbands and brothers and lovers and so forth and boyfriends, that they enjoy the day too with you. So with that said, happy Valentine's Day from Eastern Massachusetts. RG signing out from YouTube. Ciao.